Hi friends, we are going to solve a problem today which is concerning the keyboard of the laptop. As you can see from the screen, before we typed some characters on the keyboard and the keyboard typed all the wrong characters. To solve this problem, just press the function key Fn and the numlock key on the top of the keyboard. Press them simultaneously and now let's try. So we see the problem is solved now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any other queries, do feel free to write in the comment. Thank you.